Welcome to the magical world of Hayleigh. Hey guys, it's me, Hayleigh here.
And Amber.
Today we're going to do DIY ornaments, but a small version.
Yep, we have previously done a large version of the DIY ornaments, which you can see back here. We have Rudolph, and we have these little snowmen, and a couple other ones that we've done. We will put the link in the description below so you guys can check that one out too. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when we post new videos. Alright, so we each get 2 little ornaments. This is a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree. And we have decided that for one ornament we're going to paint on the inside. So what we're going to do, like a swirl effect. So I chose white, red, and green for our Christmas theme.
I chose pink, blue, and purple.
And we also used some Mod Podge. We have these little cups from the bathroom. And what we did is we mixed the Mod Podge with the paints to loosen it up so that we can actually pour them. And we have an extra cup. We're going to use the extra cup to layer our colors in it before we put it into the ball. Okay? So you want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to pour ours in.
Gentle.
Hopefully it comes in. Ooh, I'm getting excited.
Left mine in the inside.
How's yours going?
It's spilling. It's stirring out of the bowl.
Try to bend your cup a little bit. The top
How do
part.
I fix it before I can hold it? Paper towel.
Yep. Mine came outside a little bit.
Look at mine inside, Mommy. No.
Okay.
That's my Mommy. My blue.
Ooh, pretty.
It's
What
my
I
pink.
am doing, I'm gonna dump the excess out. I have your paint all over me.
Mine.
Yeah. How's it going?
Good. That's mine. My top.
Yep.
So what do we do? We swirl it around when we're all done? Or what do we do when we're all
Yep.
done?
You swirl around, kind of like what we do with the big ones. And if you get any excess off the top, that's okay. Just wipe it down. It's a little bit messy.
Mommy, I need another paper towel.
Okay, hold on.
Where's the bottle?
Getting my top on.
Okay, we're all done?
Yep. Mine is all done.
Can I see?
Okay. Alright. Now,
We need paper
you
towel.
need some assistance?
Yeah, I need a paper towel.
We're going to do this. Yeah, if you make a mess on the top, do not worry. It wipes right off, and then once it dries, you can give it another wipe down. Here's your cup. If you get any excess, you can dump the excess in there. Let me move these out of the way.
Yeah. Do you already swirl it, Mommy?
Yep, I swirled mine.
I'm all done.
You got it? Okay.
Where's mine?
It's pretty.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Put my finger on it.
Alright, show the viewers. Very pretty. It reminds me of cotton candy. Yeah, I think I'm going to put mine on the tree now.
Me too.
Right there.
Right here. That's true. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Okay. So, we each have one more ornament. And so what we are going to do, so we have some googly eyes and some gems that is really cool. It's okay. Because, check this out. These gems have little stickers on the back. So we don't need any glue for those. We also have some glitter glue and some pom-poms. Okay, so we got all of these supplies from the Dollar Tree store. I'm going to open these. You're going to use this, right?
I'm going to use gold.
Alright. We got this glitter glue. There's the gold. Put this to the side. Some of these items you're going to need to use hot glue gun. So make sure you have an adult supervisor with you. It would be a parent, guardian, or an older sibling.
What color you don't use, Mommy?
I don't know if I want to put that on the inside.
Are you sure?
I think I might just decorate the outside.
Okay, I will have my golden.
Yep.
Do I do it right now?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I
Lid.
might use some of these pretty gems.
Lid. I'll do that too, outside.
I'm going to do a pattern.
Right, you want me to use all of it?
Use as much as you need.
You want me to swirl it around, Mommy?
You might have to shake it maybe, 'cause that's pretty thick.
You want to put some of the Mod Podge in?
Look how good this is sticking.
Oh,
How's it going there?
good. Mommy, I think I need assistance. It's hard.
Assistance.
Yes, it's hard. There's from my hand. It hurts my hand.
Oh, you got a lot of it in there.
Yeah. Want to do shit in now?
That looks pretty cool.
Hmm?
Okay. Why don't you put the lid on?
Okay.
See if you can like flip it upside down and shake it that way.
That's a good idea, Mommy.
Well, thank you, darling. How's it working? Oh, seems to be working pretty good.
This is the one you want to do. Trying to cover the whole side.
Yeah?
Is there any more gold in there?
I don't think so. I think if you shake it enough, though, it should cover pretty well. I'm getting my layers on. I might do like a pattern.
I was trying to do that too.
Yeah?
I'm all done shitting mine.
Have a look. Ooh, very cool. What are you going to add to the outside?
Some pom-poms
Oh, yeah?
and some googly eyes.
Cool. I like googly eyes.
Need some small eyes. Small ice. I need hot glue.
Hot glue?
Mm-hmm.
Hot glue assistance. Where would you like it?
Wait, let me get all the pom-poms I want. I'll do like a powder. Doing a powder. Mommy,
Where would you like the googly eyes?
right here.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
And make sure you're careful.
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch the glue. Put it down really nicely. Good job. Alright, other one go right here.
Mm-hmm.
Be careful. Don't touch that glue. Look how cute.
Pom-poms.
It's getting there.
Yeah, I need it right here. Hot
Where?
glue right there. All around.
All around where?
Here.
All the way
Two
around.
dots.
Dot.
Yeah. Doing pink first.
Push it down. There we go. And then right here. Very good. This stuff is very, very hot. You can see smoke coming off of it. So please be extra careful. Do you guys like making crafts? And if so, what kind of crafts do you like? Comment down below. What's your favorite kind of craft?
This one.
My favorite kind of craft is any craft that involves you.
But now.
It's looking so adorable.
Tutu.
It's like a tutu. It's so cute.
Bottom.
You doing the bottom?
Yeah, right here. Don't you copy the same thing?
Looking cute. Do you guys like the colors that she chose?
Comment down below.
I have to reload my hot glue gun here.
Gonna do a really small one right there.
Okay. Yep. Pick one more right in the middle there, girl. How about you get blue? Yeah.
Blue.
Here we go. All right. You want to show your piece?
To knock down.
Yep. Right there. All right. It's cute.
Seeing some gems on the top, like you. But I said, don't follow me. Don't follow me. It's hard because it has all the things on it. Oops. What are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Nah.
I think I might put the silver glue inside actually. Now that I'm looking at this. This is so much fun. I am so glad that these have the little stickers on the bottom and that we don't have to hot glue every single one.
Mm. It will be kind of fun, but it will take forever.
Yes.
Yeah, did it too close. I'm trying to copy you, Mommy, but the tutu isn't, or your jewelry eyes.
Yeah. Let's see.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
It's 24. Whoa.
He's tired. It's been a long day for him.
For his surgery. Maybe it's because of that. It ain't even what to do.
You just karate chopping?
Yes, I am. Yeah. My gem fell, so I tried. But now my guy's staying up
Oh, there
right
you go.
now.
Oh, so cute.
Hi. The little crown.
Is it a prince or a princess?
It's a ballerina who won.
A ballerina who won? Very nice.
Not that with mine.
I am almost done with mine. I'm going to add some green and then I think I'm going to do the silver glue after all. Have any of you guys made homemade ornaments for your tree this year?
Maybe we'll use a little bit of red. Just a little teeny tiny bit. Because you kind of can't even see it, Mommy, because it's old. It'll be a surprise. Yeah.
Surprise!
Surprise! There's a red in it. Need to take the lid off. A little teeny tiny bit, so I don't get a lot. And sweet. See, that's enough.
Cool.
Are you going to use some red too?
Nope, I'm just going to do silver.
Can I use a little bit of silver first?
Can I get my silver in?
Yeah.
Ooh, what do you guys think so far?
You want me to put it in for you, Mommy?
Got the gems going on there.
Mommy? You want me to put...
I'm going to put the silver in.
You want me to?
Yeah, I can do it. Thank you,
Okay.
though.
Yeah.
Okay, Haley. Alright. Going to put my silver in.
Save some for me. Okay, Mommy. Save some for me, Mommy. Thank you.
Alright. Got my silver in there.
I don't.
Thank you so much for watching our channel. We hope you enjoyed this DIY small ornaments that we did with you guys. Please hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can receive notifications when we add new videos. Thank you. Bye, guys.